Work zone and highway construction signs. Around highway construction and maintenance sites, most road signs are orange with black lettering or symbols. If work being done on or near the road poses a risk and requires that cars go cautiously and limit their speed, you will see these signs. Warning signs for work zones can be either rectangular or diamond-shaped. They alert vehicles to a variety of potential risks in the vicinity of the work location, including having flaggers on duty to guide traffic, detours, road or lane closure, work being done that is dangerous, hazardous substances near or on the road, a sluggish traffic ahead. Additionally, drivers may be given instructions through work zone signs, such as be prepared to stop. Work zone traffic control devices. Around construction and maintenance areas, additional traffic control devices might be put in place to assist road signs in guiding drivers. These consist of electronic signals with text or arrows pointing in a particular direction. Panels or barricades that surround dangerous areas are frequently marked with white and orange stripes. The use of striped drums, tubes, or orange cones to mark off-limits areas for cars. Construction site detour signs. If large lengths of road are closed while work is being done, detour signs may be placed around the construction area. As you get closer to a detour, slow down so you have more time to decide how to get around the construction site. Proceed cautiously and pay attention to all detour sign directions. Construction and maintenance zone safety. All drivers must proceed through construction and maintenance zones with particular caution since they present a risk to both drivers and workers. Driving irresponsibly has the potential to gravely hurt you or another road user, as well as cost you a lot of money. If you are discovered breaking a traffic rule in a construction zone, you may face a fine that is doubled or significantly increased, depending on the regulations in your state. The driver's manual for your state has information on fines for working zones. To keep yourself safe when near road construction and maintenance areas, bring down your speed. Follow the directions of all traffic control devices, road signs, and traffic officers. Be ready to halt. Use extra caution when driving. For a thorough explanation of work zone risk and a comprehensive list of safety guidelines, browse our extensive collection of traffic signs for construction zones.